we are back to our calendar in our new month. Let's see if you can remember what our new month is. Yeah, it's September. Sweet. All right, so now we're going to figure out today's date tag. That goes right here. Yesterday was a circle with a 1 in it. So look at our shapes. What do you think? Do you think it'll be another circle? Do you think it could be a rectangle? A triangle? What do you think it might be? Well, if you said a rectangle, nice job. So I'm going to move a rectangle over. All right. Yesterday we had a 1 on it. So what number goes there? 2. Easy peasy. In the beginning, when we start over, it feels very, very quick and easy. It's kind of cool. All right. So let's say our date. Today's date is September 2nd, 2020. Let's go ahead and write it. We're going to start with what type of letter? Capital, because September is the name. Whoops, I'm writing with the wrong color, so sorry. We're going to start with a capital because September is the name of the month. So September. And then I need what after the month? A finger space, right? And then I need the number on the date tag, which today is a 2. And then I need a comma. And then another finger space. And then the year, which is 2020. All right, let's say it. Today's date is September 2nd, 2020. All right, we want to know today's day of the week. So we're going to find today's date tag and go straight up. What is today's day of the week? It's Wednesday. So that is the name of the day of the week. So I'm going to have a capital letter, capital W, EDNESDAY. All right. So we would say today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. All right, so if I go back here to today, which is Wednesday, and I go backwards 1, what was yesterday? Tuesday. Good. And if I go back to today and I go forward 1, what will tomorrow be? Think. Thursday. Time for our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Are you ready for our months of the year song? Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And how many months are there? You got it. There are 12. And what number was September? It's the 9th month. All right, guys, let's count to 100. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right. Now remember, all the teen numbers start with a 1, including 11 and 12. And all the numbers that say 20 start with what number? It's a 2. And then all the numbers that start with 30 start with a 3. Nice job. And how many days were we in school yesterday? Right, 32. Okay, so I have my extra linking cube here to represent today. I'm going to move him in the extra tower. And how How many towers of 10 do I have now? Did it change? Nope, I still have 3. Let's count and see how many extras we have. 1, 2, 3. So I am going to erase the 2, and I'm going to make it a 3. And then tell me, how many days have we been in school today? Right, 33.